Watch as 22-year-old Erica Verona turns a welfare check into chaos in Windsor Locks, Connecticut, striking 2 officers with her car after hitting one in the face with her vape.
Hi. The dog's tied up. Hi.
Hi. Is she here?
She's upstairs. She went and sat in her car for a while. I thought she was going to drive off, but she didn't.
Okay.
What's that noise?
Is that her?
No, that's her mom. I want to record this. I know you're recording it, but I want to record it too.
Okay. Do you know who this is, sir?
Yep.
Okay, they're from CHR.
Yeah, they made me they took an hour of my time and made me go through all sorts of hoops to get through to you guys on Sunday night.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, you said that they would get me right through? Yeah. They're too busy asking me if Erica's a boy or a girl.
Okay.
So
just tell me what happened within the last hour. She was hitting herself in the head.
I don't know what she was doing. She's upstairs screaming for the past 2 nights.
She's not sleeping, you said, right?
Nope. She's keeping me up too.
Police responded to this home for the second time in 2 weeks over a resident with a long history of aggressive behavior to accompany a community health resources representative.
No,
She is?
totally calm.
Okay.
Yeah. Which is always the case when we show up.
Well,
Still,
it took a long time.
She's got this
So there's
long
other
history.
people in the state of Connecticut that require mental health services.
No. I wasn't complaining. I was stating a fact.
Okay. I'm not sure.
I don't complain to these people. I appreciate them.
Okay, good.
And I appreciate you
they
too.
They do a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah. No. You think I appreciate you. I hope.
I think it. Thank you.
Oh yeah. But no, I'm frustrated.
I hear you.
But my frustration is not with you. It's with the mental health whole thing.
It's a tough system right now.
Yeah.
Can we? We're gonna have to go upstairs and say hi to her. So can we move that thing, whatever it is, and nothing else in the house? Just this dog here.
If she comes down with her phone.
Well, yeah, I know. I know.
Erica. Erica, you need to come down. People are here to see you. Mobile crisis. You can shut that door because I don't want the cat to get out. Thank you.
Hi, Erica.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Erica.
How are you?
Sorry to bother you.
Your phone is on.
Okay, I know that.
I'm sorry to bother you. Can we go outside so we can get some fresh air? I'm dying in here. Do you know who this is, Erica?
No.
She's from...
Officers identify the woman as 22-year-old Erica Verona and stand by to assist, while the CHR employee urges her to get help.
She's from CHR.
Okay.
All right.
Erica, we met last week. I was here to talk to you.
Okay.
Do you remember now?
Yes, I remember.
Okay, good. So, what happened today that you started screaming and yelling?
I'm not too sure.
Don't remember?
I was upset.
Okay. So you just hit yourself in the head, right?
No.
No? Just now, that's fresh on your forehead.
Where? Right here?
Yeah.
Nope. The sun's in my eyes.
There was like a bump there. No? Okay.
What's that from, Erica?
The sun's in my eyes. My eyebrows going down.
No, that's not it.
Yeah, it is that.
So you're hitting yourself in the head, right? And you're screaming, yelling. Did you threaten at all? Okay. So Erica, this has been going on for a little too long.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
You're not taking your medicine. You're not engaging in treatment. You're physically assaulting people left and right.
The advice was not to take it anymore.
When it's time to take her medication, she needs to be compliant. Okay?
She was taking them until the dog ate it.
But right now, she's unmedicated.
Okay.
She's been assaultive to herself and to other people. Her insight is very poor. She's making poor judgment, right? Things are not good. Things are negative, and
I'm not arguing with anything other than the meds.
So I'm asking you to go to the hospital just for an evaluation. So Erica, I know at times that you calm down right away after you flip out, right? Was today one of those days?
No.
Did you lose control today?
No.
So not even while Dad was recording you, or he was on the phone with
No.
you were in complete control today. Dad, yes or no? Is that true?
She was crying. I mean, I don't know if there's any law against crying. She was crying loud enough to wake me up, screaming.
What happened that you were yelling up there? Pissed off at something?
Yeah.
Somebody pissed you off?
Yeah.
I think it's pot withdrawal.
Are you trying to withdraw?
No.
She hasn't had pot in the past couple of days. She was just looking for it before you guys got here. She needs rolling paper.
Do you feel like you're in withdrawal right now?
No.
Do you want some pot right now?
No.
Well, be honest. I mean, it's legal.
That's not
so.
illegal.
It's legal, so you're not going to get in trouble. No, you're not the only one that wants pot every day. You know?
Erica, it just helps us understand what you're going
You
through.
can't get in trouble for answering
Trying to help
that.
you. That's all.
That's all.
She got to stash the pot somewhere. That's all I know.
Well, that's fine, sir.
fine.
That's her.
We're okay with that.
Not worried about that.
Yep. Eric, I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I'm just trying to communicate so they understand.
It's not a matter of getting anybody in trouble. It's a matter of
Dad.
getting her some help.
Yeah, I know. I
Dad,
agree.
you feel like she's been getting worse these last few weeks?
Yes.
Okay.
Because all she does pot nonstop. So,
Right.
like when the cops came over here the other day to ask her about, I don't know if cops is a derogatory word, sorry.
Whatever you want to use, that's
When
fine.
the police came over the other day, and they gave her a ticket for breach of peace for hitting that other girl. I believe that they were only able to do that because she admitted to it. You know, otherwise, it was just
Okay.
word versus word. I'm not sure.
Online records indicate Erica is no stranger to law enforcement, having allegedly faced multiple charges, including breach of peace, disorderly conduct, and assault within the last 2 years.
But do you know what happens? If you ask her any yes or no questions, she says yes. Erica, your hair's on fire. Did you know that? Erica,
All right, Erica, at this point,
everything's a yes.
I need you to go to the hospital
Why?
because you've been getting worse as time goes on.
She's denying all this other.
Why are they being here? Would they,
She went crazy, I guess, today. This was like hours ago.
not one of them.
Apparently, but then now
This is what they did last week.
this is the family saying. Now the dad's saying nobody came out today. I don't know what you're talking about.
I was out here last week for CHR,
Yes,
they
they-
wanted us here because
They call us the same time. They assaulted them like a year and a half ago. But every single time they come here now, they want us with her, basically, because they won't go
They
in.
said that she assaulted a worker in Hartford last week.
Oh, she might
But
have.
then Dad said that no, she just threw something in her direction.
Right.
Didn't hit her.
I mean, she's very calm so far.
Yeah, she was calm last week too.
Yeah. Did she go last week?
No, they just came and stopped her. That's it.
Okay, so I'm going to request that an ambulance come and just give you a ride to the hospital. You're going to meet with the therapist there and just talk and have a conversation with the therapist. Okay?
We have somebody who can pick her up later.
Nope.
Uber.
You okay with that? Perfect.
Where are you going, Erica?
Plugging in my vape for a minute.
Huh?
Plugging in my vape for a minute.
Okay, just leave this open. Where's the keys?
Over here.
We have.
I need to plug in my. Excuse me. I need to plug in my vape.
No, you're not doing that right now.
I need to plug in my f***ing vape.
Plug it in and
Nope, don't do that.
she just whacked me in the fucking head.
Did you catch that the officer says Erica struck him in the face with her vape? Let's rewind and take a look from another officer's body cam.
I need to plug in my f***ing vape.
Plug it in and
Nope, don't do that.
whack me in the fucking head. Watch out, she's gonna take off. Watch out.
Stop the car.
Oh, mother.
Erica speeds off, allegedly throwing 2 officers to the ground. Let's rewind again as a 3rd officer arrives on scene.
Nope. Watch out. Nope. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, guys.
You guys all right? 243. She's taking off in a vehicle. She just struck 2 of our officers. You guys okay? Yeah. Tommy, you're bleeding. Hey, you got a good cut. Have the medics pick it up for our guys. Send a supervisor too, please. Tommy, let me come back here. Let me see your head. We've been waiting 15 minutes, Larry. Here, Tommy. Ambulance is taking forever. I'm gonna wrap this here, put it on and all that. Just for now. No, you felt stupid.
You all right, Sean?
What do you got?
Yeah.
What's hurting?
One officer was left with a bleeding laceration on his forehead, while another complained of light pain and breathlessness.
That's good. That's good.
I just want to tape it off for now. Gotta cut that. Here, let me cut this.
It's the second time I've got injured on this job. It's from the same girl.
No, I don't think so. I think I just got the wind knocked out of me. The legs.
Well, I got the paper.
Did we
here.
put that car out, Sean?
I know you guys have enough to.
Because that's going to be assault on police and whole 9 yards. So
Can you run Erica Verona and see if she has any vehicles registered? Should be a white vehicle, small vehicle. We're going to have to get that on the hotline. Assault on officers down here. Almost ran them over.
She took off from scene. She's still not at scene.
Yeah, I said that earlier. She took off in a vehicle and also hit 2 of our officers. I need a supervisor down here, please.
7-0.
Police issued a bolo on Erica's vehicle that was later located about 10 miles away in a CVS parking lot, where she was reportedly taken into custody without incident.
I'm really sorry that happened to you.
sorry, I didn't antagonize that. Just so you know.
She kept on
I
talking
knew she was.
to Erica
I knew
about
she
not
was
taking
gonna.
her meds. Erica was.
Oh,
told not to
okay.
take
I
her
thought you
meds.
told me I antagonized by letting you go into the car. No.
Oh, no.
I knew she was going to try and take off.
Can I take a picture of you?
No, not right now.
I want to show my ex.
That's fine.
The officer just came by. He got a bad.
You all right? Back?
Yeah, I can't really tell yet.
Right.
I think
All
I'm
right.
fine. I think
All
I just
right.
got the wind knocked out.
All right. She took off. She hit Tommy and both of them with the car, with the door. She dragged them. They were. Where is she? Gone. She took off, gunned it. He's bleeding all over the place. He's got back. He's hurt. So we got medics on the way.
2 officers in here. Tommy, you all right? Yeah, I'm fine. I don't know how deep it is. I'm not sure. I might need a couple stitches.
So he's pretty good.
Is it?
His back and
She's not safe for society. She needs to be put somewhere. This is every week with her.
I got the paper here. She can go.
She knows what to say all the time. That's the problem.
Oh, she didn't say anything for me to be able to, and I'm doing it anyway. I don't care.
wanted for assault on officers.
She's the back in Swansea got hit by a car.
Where she resided? No, just general hotline.
Yeah, general hotline. We couldn't even get her which way she even went off of this street.
Wasn't supposed to take them in. She was told not. No, but that would have never happened, would it?
Sir, it was going to happen either way. She was going to the hospital and she didn't want to go. Either way.
She did want to go. She just wanted her vape.
No.
No.
And to charge her vape.
Dad's
No, that's not happening.
No, not at all.
Well, ma'am, she was at McDonald's, guys. Hey! She was at McDonald's last.
What, you got her location?
It looks like she turned it off, but as of 5:32, she was at McDonald's.
All right, guys. So we had two officers struck by a vehicle.
Okay.
Dragged by the car door.
Okay.
One's got a pretty good cut on his head. I just covered that real quick, and then the other one back and legs.
Okay.
They both went flying when she came out of the driveway. They dragged her. They might want to.
They should.
Yeah.
Hey, 111, start me a second ambulance. We have a few officers that were struck and dragged by a vehicle. I think I have a little gash on this, so.
Yeah, it looks like it. Let's have a look at you inside.
How deep it is?
So listen, I don't know what you're thinking, but
Police said both officers involved in the incident were taken to a hospital and treated for lacerations and bruises.
yeah, it's the same brand, probably. But
Same brand. Tommy, you get out.
I'll take your belt
No.
if you want. Go
Thank God. Where's the other outfit I got?
right here. Right here.
How about we go? We have another engine.
Yeah.
Well, that's all we got right now. She's on the lamb right now, so other than that.
I went around and also trying to grab her out. Yeah. And then she threw it.
She just gunned it.
No, not under the car. Just
Off to the side. Off to the side, almost into the tree. Neither of them.
neither of them did.
No.
Driver, yeah.
She punched Tommy in the face.
Yeah.
Jumped in the car. And gunned it in reverse. They got hit with the door. Dragged.
If I help you, can you help me?
Yeah. What do you got?
I don't want the car towed. Is there any way I can get it brought here? Want to tell you where she is?
Yeah. Is she in town or where is she?
She's at a brick build. Her mom says that she was on video with her.
Okay.
She drove up to so it sounds like a self-serve, like with a brick facade.
Yeah.
They asked her code. She said 7. They opened the gate and she went in.
Where would that? Any idea what that would be?
A brick facade, maybe.
I mean, with a code though, with a gate to get. What's that, hon? I'm sorry, Sue. Say it again, hon.
I said she's nearby. I don't. She's not. Her face is so glazed over. This is not her face.
Okay.
She's completely bruised up on her face.
Yeah. Well,
She needs to go in the hospital.
Right.
She beat the hell out of her face last night.
Well, they already knew that. They were getting ready to put her in the hospital.
That's what we were going to do, and then unfortunately she was able to get into the car. That's okay. That's okay. Listen, I get it.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I'm for a broken burrow right now.
Yeah, I know. We've been trying to get help for so long, and it always turns into legal instead of mental health.
Erica was booked for 2 counts of assault on a police officer, 2 counts of interfering, 2 counts of reckless endangerment, and breach of peace. At last check, the 22-year-old is expected back in court this fall.
Is he all right?
Yeah, he's gonna be okay. Yeah, some injuries, but
That's ridiculous.
I know.
You've been here 3 times
I know.
this week.
This doesn't end.
It's ridiculous.
Every time, these folks are trying too. Every time we go bring her in, she's out.
Who are you with?
CHR.